But the idea of this video, actually, I wanted to bring because I feel like nobody is talking about. Because having a business, any business, it's kind of a lonely journey. You started a business while majority of people go to work. They know all of this 9 to 5. They know the system. Weekend is days off, and it's completely different with business, especially the first years. You work 24/7. That's all your life. You work 24/7. What else are you gonna talk about? You're gonna talk about your business, Amazon problems, customers, and guess what? Your friends, your family, very quickly will get tired of it and will start rolling their eyes and say, can we talk about something else? But I'm like, well, that's all I do. What else can I talk about? I understand that like majority of sellers' mind is just like, oh, I found what is working. I'm not gonna share it. That's my competition. I'm not gonna partnering with other sellers because they will steal my idea. It's gonna be less profit for me and all that stuff. And I can tell you that first of all, you will have competition anyway because we are all in one platform. We're already like there, and everyone can find your stores. Anyone can find the items you sell, where you bought it. That's not as difficult as it sounds. But benefits to actually partner with each other could benefit you way, way, way more than just to be on your own. First of all, like Ellie said, it's your mental health, which is very important because when you're just in isolation, basically, even you're surrounded by people, but you're alone in this, that is hard. That is hard on your brain. Plus, it's a lot of problems, a lot of learning curves, and it's just hard to process by our brain. Second of all, what we discovered, and that's what we wanted to share, that step by step, we started to merge together our businesses and how we actually benefited from it. We met when we both did online arbitrage, and let's say Ellie could find 10 leads a day where to purchase items to resell on Amazon, right? So, and I can find 10 leads a day, correct? So, but if it's together, 10 plus 10, it's 20. So I can buy 20 and she can buy 20. And I want you to guys remember that this is a merchandise-based business. The more you buy, the more you sell, the more you profit. That's how it works. In order to grow, in order to get more sales, more money, more profit, you need to sell more. That is easy like that. So in this case, that's how we started to hire VAs together. So virtual assistants.